Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Busa, your cryptocurrency superhero. Yeah, that sounds good. Always wanted to say that. But anyway, guys, today I just want to talk quickly about AntShares and the process of buying AntShares. This is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to buy AntShares using Bittrex, right? A couple of people have asked me to say that, can you please share with us or show us how we can buy AntShares, right? Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do here is navigate to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is where we see all of the currencies, the cryptocurrencies that are available in the market and their prices, and this is where you will see their value, how they have increased or decreased in the last hour, 24 hours, and the last week, 7 days. So currently we looking at AntShares, right? AntShares is currently sitting on number 16 and it's trading at $7.42, which is it's in a good buying zone right now because it has retraced it just a little bit. As you can see that it's down 22%, almost 23% in the last week, in the last 7 days, and there's some interesting things that are happening with AntShares at the moment, and more especially for the month of July. We expecting some news that will, in my opinion, perhaps move the AntShares to another level. We might see some new highs on AntShares, right? So, but anyway, I'm gonna do another video after this one just explaining why am I buying AntShares, because there's some couple of interesting things that I think that you might like, right? Okay, so now let's go to AntShares, right? So when we are at AntShares currently, if I go to markets, and you will see that we can buy AntShares currently on Bittrex because it's not yet available on Poloniex. So, and it's also available on Yunbi, if I'm pronouncing it right, I don't know, but it's a Chinese exchange. So currently for the rest of us, we can. Well, personally, I use Bittrex, which is one of the also most trusted exchanges that you can find on the internet, right? So I'm just gonna quickly navigate to Bittrex. And just quickly show you how we do this. I'm already logged in, guys, into my account, right? So simply the first thing that you will need to do once you get to bittrex.com, if you don't have an account, you need to register with them. So registration is pretty easy. It will take you less than 2 minutes. All you have to do is you fill in your email address, you create a password, then they will send you an email address that you have to validate or verify your email address, right? Then after, you're gonna come to a screen that looks like this. So the first thing that you would want to do is you want to come here where it says wallet. So you're gonna click where it says wallet, and when you click where it says wallet, it's gonna pull up all of the available currencies that can be traded on the Bittrex platform, right? So in the beginning, yours will have zeros all over the place, right? So just ignore these other ones. These are just other portfolios, other coins that I'm invested in currently, right? But yours is going to have zeros everywhere. So what you will be first looking at, because we use Bitcoins to buy altcoins, so since that we would want to buy AntShares, what we will do is we will use Bitcoins. So we need to first of all load our Bittrex wallet with Bitcoins. Therefore, then we can exchange, we can buy AntShares using Bitcoins. And for you to do that, what you need to do is you need to navigate to where it says Bitcoin. You find where it says Bitcoin, then you click the plus sign. What it will do is it's going to bring up your wallet address. It's going to bring up your Bitcoin wallet address. So what you need to do therefore is you need to highlight this address. You need to highlight this address, copy this address, and then you need to send Bitcoins into that address, because this is your Bittrex Bitcoin wallet address. So you need to send your Bitcoins into this address using whatever exchange that you are already using with your Bitcoins. If you're in South Africa like I am, we tend to use Altcoin Trader. You can use Altcoin Trader to send Bitcoins into your Bittrex, or you can use Luno, you can use local Bitcoins with blockchain, whatever exchange that you're using, or wherever you have your Bitcoins held, you can just transfer an amount of Bitcoins to your Bittrex, right? So once you do that, it will take quite some time to get to your Bittrex account, but once it does, then you will notice that the number here where it says BTC, it's going to change. The available balance is going to change to whatever amount of BTC you have sent to this wallet. Then it is then, only then, you will be able to buy AntShares. And then as you can see that I've got little bit of AntShares, little bit of Bitcoins in this wallet. So it's too little, it's about $9. So I won't be able to buy AntShares, but I'll show you how you go on about doing that. So the first thing that you want to do is you click where it says B markets. B stands for Bitcoin. This is your dollar market. This is your Bitcoin market. Since we will be buying AntShares using Bitcoins, so we're gonna click where it says B market, right? Then it's going to bring up a chart that has, all right, before it does that, I forgot. So once you click that, it's gonna bring up the search bar right here, right? So you can type here ANS, which is short for AntShares, and click where it says ANS. Even if you type ANT, you will see that it will bring it up. So you click where it says ANS, and as soon as you do that, that's when it's going to bring up the chart. So it's gonna bring up the chart. It's gonna give you, there we go. So it's gonna bring up the chart and basically tell you where the price stands at the moment. So where it's trading at the moment. Right now, AntShares is trading at 0.0028850. This price is in Bitcoins because we are buying AntShares using Bitcoins right now. So right now we are looking at 28,850. Am I right? Satoshis. Okay, it just changed. It's 289,997 Satoshis. All right, needed to get my math going right there, but you know, in short, it's 0.0028 Bitcoins, right? Without trying to get too technical and all of that. But anyway, so this is how we do it, guys. So once you have done that, right, you will see your Bitcoin amount. Once you come to this page, it's going to show you your Bitcoin available amount, right? So if you want to spend all of your Bitcoins on buying AntShares, then you will click where it says max, right? So when you click where it says max, it's going to fill up that price here. All right, so it's going to fill up that price here. Then what you want to do also is you want to click where it says bid, right? Basically what you are saying is that when you click where it says bid, is you want to buy at the current price. Basically that's what you are saying, that I want to buy at the current price, right? So you can also choose the last price that it was at, you know, but we want to buy at the current price. And once you do that, then you click where it says buy AntShares. But because of the value of my Bitcoins, I don't think it will allow me to buy, but let's see if it will allow me to buy. It's only gonna give me one AntShare, right? Let's see. All right, it did place it, right? So then you will see a message that pops up here to say that your buy order unit of AntShares with the Bitcoin amount has been placed, right? So as you're seeing that it's placing the order, what normally happens is that if your order gets filled or fulfilled at the very same time, it might happen now, it might take a few moments to happen because obviously when you are buying, there we go, it says buy is filled, meaning that I have now bought AntShares. I have bought one AntShare using the amount of Bitcoins that I have. Right, so that's as easy as that. That's as easy as that, as buying your AntShares. Right, so as you can see, if I was trying to explain but then it filled the order before, so if your order does not get filled immediately, so what will happen is that it will come here where it says open orders. Right, so you will see it right here, because as you are buying, you know, it needs, your order needs to be filled with people that are selling. So because it's a trade, you are buying, somebody's selling. So what happens is that you, if at that current price there's nobody willing to buy, to sell at that current price, so the order will be sitting right here, and sometimes it takes a while. After a few minutes you will see that the order is filled. Right, so that is buying straight, that will be buying at the current price. Right now I don't have any Bitcoins anymore, so let's say that you want to buy at a certain price, because I actually, before I recorded this video, I had a buy limit in place, because what I was doing is that I was waiting for it to drop a little bit further. Right, so what I'll do is I'm just gonna quickly go to my 1 hour chart and show you where I bought. Right, so let me zoom it out a little bit. There we go. All right, this is not a trading video, guys, but just want to show you for some information. Right, so what I was looking for before I recorded this video, my order was taken at about this price here, 285054. It was taken at about that price, right, because that's where I was waiting to buy. So what I was doing is that I bought first at this price, and then the price dropped down, gave us a double bottom. So in trading, that you will see that this is a good buying zone, because price has touched here and it has gone up, it has touched here, it has gone up, and we are at that critical zone again, which is our support level. So we are at that critical zone again, which is our support level. So it's a good buying opportunity for us to buy. But anyway, like I said, on this video, on the next video, I'll go into the technical analysis of AntShares, why I'm buying it technically and why I'm buying it fundamentally, so that we can have a look at both ways why I'm buying. So, but for the purpose of this video, because I really want to keep it as short as possible, this is how you buy AntShares using Bittrex. Alright guys, this is Busa. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like the video, dislike the video, just give me something, and then if you've got any questions, I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Right, so be on the lookout for my next video, where we'll be talking about why I'm buying AntShares. Right, very, very, very interesting information that is coming up on the next video. Peace out, guys. This is Busa.